Okay, welcome to an example on specific acoustic impedance. It's from May-June 2023, question paper 4.1. We're going to go through this like lightning fast. We're given table 8.1, which shows some data relating to properties of air, gel, and body tissue. The data has been given to three significant figures. Okay, so we also need to give our answer to three significant figures. And we've been asked to show that the specific acoustic impedance of gel is 1.68 times 10 to the power of 6 kilograms, m to the power of -2, s to the power of -1. Okay, so very simple, very straightforward. We know that Z is equal to density multiplied by C, right? So the Z for gel, right, the Z for gel is like that, is going to be equal to the density of gel, 1,200 times the speed of sound in gel, 1,400, and that's going to be simplified to 1.68 times 10 to the power of 6. Okay, very simple, a little bit straightforward. Kg, m to the power of -2, s to the power of -1. Okay, complete the table 8.1 by calculating the missing values to three significant figures. Use the space that is below for any working that you may need. Okay, so missing values are the density of air, the speed of tissue, sound in tissue, and the specific acoustic impedance in gel. Okay, so we're going to start with the first one, which is over here. That is the density of air. So if you go here, for air, the density for air is going to be equal to Z divided by C, which is going to be equal to 440 divided by 340. Okay, so it's going to be equal to 440 divided by 340. Okay, that gives us that, and then we're going to evaluate the answer at the end. Okay, then if we move to gel, gel is going to be here, so that's gel. We've been asked for the acoustic impedance of gel, so the Z for gel is going to be equal to density times C, and we've already found it, which is actually 1.68 times 10 to the power of 6. Okay, 1.68 times 10 to the power of 6. Okay, and then we have what else do we have? Speed of sound in tissue. So you can see specific acoustic impedance in gel and tissue is almost the same, actually. Then the last one is going to be tissue. Okay, tissue. So to find the speed, C and T, that's going to be Z divided by density. Z divided by density, 1.68 times 10 to the power of 6 divided by density, which is 1090. Then we're going to therefore just put our answers over here. Okay, so for speed of sound in tissue, that's going to be 1,540 meters per second to 3 SF, because we've been asked to give you answers to 3 SF. Pay attention, guys, pay attention. And then the density of air, that's going to be 1.29 kilogram m to the power of -3. Okay, so if I go here, for air, that's 1.29. For gel, that's 1,540. Specific acoustic impedance, sorry. Okay, it's 1,540 for this, actually. This is 1.68 times 10 to the power of 6. This is 1,540. Okay, that's essentially it. So this is a very little easy calculation that you can be asked that ties in together to make sure you've properly understood specific acoustic impedance. In the next video, we're going to introduce another new concept, and we're going to tie those two concepts together very soon.